May 10th, 2023. We got reservations at Mill Creek Corps of Engineers Park on Lake Sam Rayburn Reservoir. And this, we should have left about 9 o'clock this morning. It is, well, let's see, it's almost 7:30, I guess. Because of the weather, it has been rather bad.
12 o'clock.
Like 12 o'clock? Okay,
Yeah.
12 o'clock. So, it's about a 2-hour drive at normal highway speed. It's going to take us a little longer because we're not going to do normal highway speed this thing on this road, wet road. Anyway, we'll be there for 2 weeks, so be looking for some YouTube. Hello everyone. Well, we finally got camp set up here at Lake St. August. Oh, excuse me. Lake Sam Rayburn at Mill Creek Park. It's a Corps of Engineers Park. We're in Site 17, which is a much leveler site than the Site 16 we was at. Which, once this trailer passes, I'll show it to you, which is right there. It definitely has a drop off. Anyway, we it's a nice older park. Anyway, we got up here Wednesday. I did a short video then. It was raining, so Thursday we got the kayak set up and we went out in kayaks for a little bit. Friday, I did some working on some reels and getting tackle set up from saltwater to freshwater. And today, we're just lounging because it's a Sunday. Oh, yesterday, Saturday. We ran back into town for the newlyweds reception, and we picked up the boat while we was there. So now we got all our flotation toys with us. And today we're just going to kind of lounge because it's a Sunday and don't want to fight the traffic at the boat ramp, which I'll probably ride down and check here after a while. So, until then, goodbye.
Okay. That's Site 19 where we moved out because it was too steep. So now we're going to make the rounds. Alright, this is Site 18. Would be a good site. $19 would be a good site. I guess that was 19 right there. 22 would be a good site. Real good site. I bet 22 is the one that came in there at K-Hand.
That'd be a good site.
That's 24 would be a good site. And 25 would be a good site.
He caught some fish.
Uh-huh. This would be a good site. It's number 28. That's a real nice site. Lots of room between the campsites. 30 looks nice and level. And 32, not quite as level, but a nice site. .35 is a nice site, but you're looking at the woods, not the water. So all these rests, you're looking at the woods, not the water. So that's not what I want, or we want. See, all of these sites are in the woods. This is the dump station. Okay, this is the other loop. Most of it is 30 amps, although the park host said there were a few 50 amp here. I think he said 62 was 50 amp. Yeah, you can go.
This must be tent camp.
It's pretty and shaded. Well, they got hookups. I mean, not sewer, but. Well, there's some wood.
Majority of these are all nice and low.
Yeah, they look pretty level. Here's the water. Let's see if there's a level one that's on the water. I'm not sure about this one. And that's 62. Yeah, these are kind of need a little work. The pads are kind of grown up. There's not as much shrub, you know, underbrush between the trees here, so it's a little more open in a way. But see this campsite, how slanted it is. I mean, whoa. You'd have to do a turn to park.
I'm going to just let this car go.
So you can see there's a swimming area right there. Let's see if there's a campsite that's close to the swimming area and level. Let's see, what is this? This is site 87. And it looks nice and level. Room to put the boat, kayak right on the water.
No, that looks like?
That's a road right there.
Road back there.
Gentle slope.
Oh, I thought he had one.
He's working on it.
I don't know which way to go.
This way. Okay. Oh, I see what you're saying. These are like a pull through, huh?
Yeah, these do look like pull throughs.
89 is a pull through. That's nice. Nice and level. More distance to the water. Let's see, what is this? This is a nice and level site. That's 93. Here's a long site.
Yeah.
But it's facing the woods. We don't want to face the woods, we want to face the water. 98, 96, 98. These are all 101. That's a real nice one. But okay, we're headed to the boat ramp. A bunch of those may be not 50 amps. It's a Sunday afternoon. Not too many cars out here. Trailers. Yesterday this place was packed. He thinks to pick up the boat. There's a pontoon boat coming in. I think there's a boat down there already.
Several boats coming in right now.
Oh, there's a... I think that's a kayak launch over there.
Maybe.
You see it?
You want to walk down to it?
Can if you want to.
Yep, it's kayak launch.
Here, take a video of it. I can't see it. But man, you'd have to... If you wanted to be right by the boat ramp, you know, it could be the place to camp.
That's a nice looking kayak ramp.
So what's that scoop thing for?
Put your kayak in so you can climb in. And then you push yourself out.
So you don't take a chance of turning.
Right.
Okay. Well, how do you get it down here? I mean, I can see you drilling it down here.
I've never used one, darling.
Well, this is a plastic.
Yeah, this is nice.
I mean, do you shut it off or? You see what I'm saying?
I've never used one.
Oh, look at the...
Have to YouTube it.
I bet you could fish off of this too.
No fishing.
They said no fishing?
Yeah.